What up, guys? Miguel here from Yugatech, and if you're anything like me, then your smartphone is your all-in-one entertainment device. Watching movies, playing games, and surfing the web all happen in the modern gift that is the smartphone. While most phones are good, there are certain features and specs that can make or break your smartphone entertainment experience. This is where Vivo's all-new Vivo Y36 comes in. Coming in with a big screen, a ton of storage, and a strong battery, the Vivo Y36 aims to be your next all-in-one entertainment device. Let's check it out. First and foremost, let's start with its display. The Vivo Y36 features a large 6.64-inch Full HD Plus LCD panel with a 90Hz refresh rate and a 240Hz touch sampling rate. It's got a flat panel, which we definitely appreciate, and a minimal punch hole cutout at the top. For both movie lovers and binge watchers, the Vivo Y36 is going to provide a great experience. Its large display produces good colors and solid brightness, being able to reach up to 650 nits of peak brightness. Not only that, the Y36 also comes with a built-in audio booster that can bump the volume up to 200%. That means that you'll have no trouble hearing dialogue, songs, or background music whenever you use the Y36 to consume content. Subtitles no more, am I right? We haven't mentioned how the 90Hz refresh rate with the bright screen and loudspeakers makes navigating the phone feel fast and zippy. For its design, the Vivo Y36 comes with a classy, smooth, and comfortable look that punches way above its price point. It comes in two colors, which are Meteor Black and Glitter Aqua. The unit we have here is the latter, and we love this shimmering effect that can find at the rear of the device, which Vivo calls a crystal glass back panel. The shining and shimmering design is definitely a nice change to all the bland smartphone backs that we have out right now. Vivo also gave the Y36 a subtle curve on both sides of the device, making it feel really comfortable in hand, despite the phone's large display. For durability, the Y36 is rated with an IP54 dust and water resistance rating and has been given an anti-scratch design, which means that the Y36 can withstand both dust and splashes no problem. For cameras, the Y36 comes with a dual camera setup at the rear, headlined by a 50-megapixel Super Night algorithm camera and a 2-megapixel bokeh sensor. With the rear camera system, you can get great photos both with good lighting and at night. We especially recommend trying out the bokeh flare portrait feature on the Y36's rear camera, as it can produce high-quality portraits that you'll definitely be proud to post on social media. At the front, the Y36 rocks a 16-megapixel front-facing shooter that's also tailor-made to capture high-quality selfies. Like the rear, the Y36's 16-megapixel selfie camera can capture pretty good portrait images, especially with the built-in portrait light effect within the camera app. Check out some of our photo and video samples. Powering the Vivo Y36 is a Snapdragon 680 4G based on a 6nm process that offers clock speeds of up to 2.4 GHz. We also get 8GB of RAM plus up to 8 additional gigabytes via the Y36's extended RAM 3.0 feature. And that's not all. Vivo also includes a cool RAM saver and interface preserver feature that makes multitasking between apps a breeze. For internal storage, the Y36 comes with a massive 256 gigs of storage out of the box that's also expandable to up to 1TB via microSD. This means that you'll have absolutely no problem storing your favorite games, movies, and shows with the Y36. The Y36 also allows you to plug in 2 nano SIMs, even with the additional microSD slot. The 6nm Snapdragon chip also provides a smooth navigation experience that never gets too hot for comfort, even at high loads. For those interested in benchmark scores, flashing them on screen here. Software-wise, the Y36 runs on FunTouch OS based on Android 13. With FunTouch OS, we get a relatively clean software experience with a few add-on features from Vivo. They have a cool theme store and some recommended apps and games that you can check out too. It even has Multi-Turbo 5.5 and Ultra Game Mode, which optimizes both the Y36's CPU and GPU for a better all-around gaming experience. The last thing we want to talk about, but certainly not the least, is its battery. The Vivo Y36 comes with a large 5000 mAh lithium-ion cell with support for 44-watt fast charging. Vivo claims that with the included 44-watt flash charger, the Y36 can charge to 30% in just 15 minutes. With the big battery, browsing your socials, watching movies, and playing games will never be cut off by that blasted low battery mark. In our proprietary video lube test, where we play a 1080p video on lube at 50% brightness, airplane mode turned on, and volume muted, the Vivo Y36 lasted a very good 26 hours and 10 minutes. So there we have it, the all-new Vivo Y36, a smartphone geared towards giving users a top-notch all-in-one entertainment experience. If you're interested in grabbing a Y36 for yourself, you can purchase it for an SRP of 12,999 pesos. So, what did you guys think of the Vivo Y36? Let us know in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed this video or found it educational or informative, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one. So blue. So blue. So blue. Blue. Cut.